Hello everyone. So today I want to show you an amazing AI tool and kind of a website where you can turn your images into character motion. So if you have already seen my video on Pika art, this is something similar to it but not completely. As Pika art gives you visual effects and here on Viggle you get character motion kind of a thing. So you can literally change a image into any character you want and you can make it dance and do various movements if you want. So I just show you the website real quick, pretty aesthetically pleasing as you can see, and I'll just quickly show you the pricing thing. So the pricing is going to be free, then pro, and all these versions are paid versions. If you want to, you can just change it to a pro version if you like using this, or you can just use this for free. And in free you can create 5 relaxed mode video per day, which is I think so pretty good. You get things to try out for free. So that's what I like about these companies and website, that they give you a free trial version in which you can just check out its most minimal and foundational features. You can also create 2 video generation at a time. You have some limited rights to editing, and you also can get a limited live session per day if you want to do it. And also every projects to create will be there itself on the website or the app for 15 days. So now I'll go and show you how this works. Okay, so if you want to use this on your mobile phone, you can just download it on iOS and Android devices by clicking on it. Okay, so this is, for example, a video or an image you have already uploaded, and then you can just make it dance and do any other character motion you want, which is pretty good. So this is also, yeah, this is also an AI made dance video, but you can just change it to any character you want. Oh yeah, you can literally change it to anyone, and there are a lot of reels and stories created over here, which you can see. You can just click on mix and change it into something else if you want to it. So as you can see, this is very minimalistic. I'll just show you how it works after, like, so as you can see, you can get 5 free videos. You can upgrade this to a, as I already said, if you want, you can upgrade this, or you can just use 5 videos which you get per day. I'm not going to upload my own image or a motion video. I'm just going to show you how this works as the interface, and you can just try it out on your own. I'll just click on library and see what motions are available over here. I'll create just one. Let's see. Let's turn this video. Click on library and let's select a character in which it should be changed to. I'll go with this Fortnite kind of a character and let's see how it does. So we'll swap the character in A. A is this one and B is this one. If you want, you can also change the background, which is also an amazing thing. Let's click on this one. This gives me the GTA kind of vibes. You can change the model if you want to, and you can skip queue if you have a upgraded version. Now, once everything is set, you can also click on advanced settings and use those settings and change something if you want. You can just use smooth motion or foot lock. So this reduces sudden or unnatural movement, and the second one is just keeping the character's foot in place, but we don't want to use that right now. So let's click on mix. I'll wait a bit because I'm using a free trial version. So it means that I won't be able to create a video right now because the traffic is very high on this website, and it's working on full speed. So I'll just click on wait a bit and let's move on to other features. As I think I won't be able to create a video and show it how it works. But I feel like you might have already gotten an idea of how this works, and you can just use it as per your preferences. If you want, you can also redefine how a character looks. You can create and refine high quality characters for mixing videos. So these are in the library already present. You can upload an image and it will create and refine it into a high quality, and it will upgrade and refine it to a high quality character for yourself. They also they also have a traditional video generation and image generation model too. It's You can create an image from whatever you want or a video with a prompt, or you can just use in Painter to change the image you already have. So in video, you can also start with your start frame or end frame, and this is optional. Okay. You can also change its aspect ratio from 16 is to 9 to anything like portrait or a full video. Then you can also select the duration of the video it is going to be in, and also its model. You can also change its resolution to 1080p for a higher define for like for a higher quality video. Then you can just click on book and it will create one. They also have a editor tutorial. You can check out this video to find out how it works, and that is how it is. There is also a feature called as live. So you can use these characters for your live stream if you are streaming it on YouTube or Twitch. And you can select whichever model, character model you want, and this is how you can live stream. You can use this model on your stream itself. Let's go back, and that's everything I want to cover here. I just wanted to show you how this mix work, but I don't think so I'll be able to. Anyways, I think so you might have already gotten a gist of how this AI app or a website works. Please comment on this video and let me know if you have used this website before or just trying it out for first time. And also kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot.